Hey everybody, welcome to my channel. Yeah. What is going on, everybody? It is mow day and I am ready and I'm excited. Something I haven't done in just a little while is sharpen my blade. And I told you before that I like using these right here. Kind of, you know, old-fashioned, I guess you could call it, or more hard work than, you know, what they got now. But I'm gonna go with my Dremel today. I did have some sharpening tools with it, so we're gonna give it a shot and see how it goes. All right. Alright, so there you go, guys. That is how I'm sharpening my blades from now on. It does pretty good, pretty well. It does pretty well. Can't complain. Cannot complain. It's fast, it's easy, it's efficient, it works. But quick little get to before we get started on the mow. You saw my last video. Well, here's the outcome of that right here. This is nice. Let's see how long it lasts. Probably just enough to piss me off and get real humid. I'm still mowing today. I don't care. They can be wet. They can be soaked. I'm mowing. Yeah. That was supposed to happen. I was supposed to mow. And here's the other outcome right here. Well, I don't know if I'm going to get to mow today. It is raining quite a bit. Oh, look at all that water over there. We're gonna go check some stuff out, see what I gotta improve on. Oh, dang. I gotta fix that. Well, that didn't last long, did it, folks? That is disappointing, but that's okay. My wife and I kind of both knew that might happen. So our next plan, I think that Kenny Cooper was kind of talking about it, and we had talked about it too, but he's the one that kind of told us too about it, about laying some stone in there, some rock. So I think what we're going to do, because we don't have a fence up right there yet, and it's just the neighbor's fence, the metal, whatever you want to call that kind of fence, and we're going to put some kind of border down there about 6 to 8 inches high, and then throw some rock in there, and maybe that'll help, because the last thing we want to happen is to keep on eroding under the concrete and the concrete break, and we just paid too much money for that concrete to break. But anyway, that's enough about that. I'm ready to mow. I'm excited. Got to put the blade back on the mower, and I'm hitting the front yard. We'll see how I do it today. I'm gonna do something a little bit different in the backyard today because I'm feeling a little frisky. I'm gonna start doing this a little bit more, kind of showing you guys the before and after of the yard. So here's a little peek at the yard before the mow. So all right, here you see that. That's possibly grubs. I haven't dug it up to find out, but I might do that in the morning. Oh yeah, son, go away. But there's the front yard before. Put the blade back on the mower. I'm gonna fill her up and I'm gonna knock her down. Let's do it. Alright guys, so that is the front yard, and it looks really good. There's some diagonal striping. Pretty good, not bad. Let's give it a look on this side. Let's give it a look on this side first. Not bad. I do like the diagonal striping. It's not. I'm trying to do the single, double, single, and it's really coming out like double, double. But either way you look at it, it's gonna look good. This way looks a lot better for me. Looks more green. Doesn't look all stressed. So here we go. So not bad. So that is the front. Now going to the back. Alright guys, I don't know if you can tell, but single, double, single, diagonal in the back. Just back here right now looking at my drain I put in. It's holding up pretty well. Whew. It's not as hot as it has been, but it is a hot one today. Just humid, humid, humid. But let's see if we can take a glimpse of these diagonal stripes. Oh man, I feel like I messed up on a few of them, but it's okay. Let's check. Not bad if you ask me. They definitely look better in person. I don't know what they're gonna look like on the camera yet, but yeah, it looks good. See if I can get a big aerial. Alright guys, I'm gonna go up and mow the side piece up here and get the weed whacking. Whew! Alright, I am done, complete, finished with everything. I didn't show you guys the weed whacking or the blowing because I'm kind of still working on my edging, and man, well, I'll show you, but got my edging done back here as well, which is getting better. It's getting better. Oh yeah. Not bad, guys. Not bad. So it is getting better. Not by much, but by some. But, that is all she wrote tonight. Got everything back here and breaking stuff. Uh-oh. But nothing. That is all she wrote. Did the front, the back, some diagonal stripes, double, single, double, edges it up, blew it out, and tomorrow morning, I'm gonna throw it out and spray it out. No throwing, just spraying. But we'll see how that goes. Yo, hey, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, even if you don't like it. You know, just hit the thumbs down button. If you like it, hit the thumbs up button. If you like it a lot, hit the subscribe button. And if you really just can't get enough of me, hit the subscribe and the bell to get all my notifications. And that way you'll see me all the time. But yeah guys, I'm packing it in. Y'all have a good day, good night, good morning. And I'll see you tomorrow. Or the next time. I don't know.